Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Saturday, August 12th, 2023. Just wanted to remind you guys that all of our subscription services for a limited time it's running out have a 25% discount. Click any or more than one of these subscriptions above, type in 25 and you can see that it will take 25% off. That goes for all of our subscription services right there. Okay, let's let's start with the US 10-year today. Okay, we have 5 waves up here. Okay, you can see 1, 2 was a 0.382, wave 3 there, wave 4 was a 0.500, and there is wave 5 there. We've got an A down, a B up, and a C down for wave 2, which hit right on the 50% retracement, and this is what third waves look like. Okay, it's just starting to take off there. So this should go above that first wave high with a circle. That's 1 with a circle. That's 2 with a circle, and then we'll get the wave 3 targets up there. Remember that longer term wave 3 equals wave 1 at the bigger degree of trend over 7%, and then we get even higher than that. That's the minimum. Okay, we want to look at the Qs if we can, so let's get into that. There's the Qs there. We're looking from the wave B high here back in on July 19. All these indexes didn't top in the second wave or B wave high on the same date. You can see we've got a 1 down and a 2 up. Here's the wave 3 targets. You can see it went just past the 1.414. That was 366.07, and the 1.618 is 363.36. So it's in a third wave down. To get the bigger picture here, let's look at our NQ subscription here. All right, we update this once a week. It's in our subscription. This is the NQE mini futures. Just put this out earlier this morning, and again, this is the hourly count here that we just showed. Okay, you can see those targets there. It's just in 3. It's just in between the 1.414 and the 1.618. And then I wanted to show you guys the bigger picture. That's the update from the previous week, and the bigger picture is here. At Nasdaq futures, there's the all-time high. There's wave A down into the October low. There's wave B up again July 19th. And there's our C wave targets. It should be a minimum 1-to-1, which is 97.96. And for what it's worth, I've said this many times before, but 5 down, 3 up, 5 down, A down in parentheses, B up, C down in parentheses is a normal correction even in a bull market. So that would be a normal 3-wave A down, B up, C down correction to 97.96. We'll see what happens with that. Let's get back to our charts here. Let's go to the daily on the S&P 500 cash. There's the all-time high there. There's A down in parentheses. There's B up, and that topped on July 27th. You can see here a lot of information here. This B wave went up to the previous second wave high, and there's a difference of 30 points. So from March of last year to July of this year, 16 months, net loss of 30 points. Okay, and you can see here the nice symmetry to wave A down with 195 trading days. B up was 196 trading days. They both lasted a Fibonacci 8 plus 1 month or 9 months. And we have the all-time high here, A down. There is B up. There's our wave C targets. Again, a normal 535 ABC correction gives a minimum target of 32.82 for wave C. That's a normal correction in a bull market. Can't stress that enough. Okay, let's see there. That was the daily. Oh, I wanted to show you guys this this hourly because from that 5-1 high to the 5-4 low, we had 3 waves down. That notified us that there would be 5 waves up, and we got it. But I wanted to show all these gaps here. This gap got closed here. This gap still remains open at 44.39. This gap here was closed with that wave 4 low, but there's still gaps here. Okay, you can see 42.21 and 41.15. That C wave down, all those gaps will be closed. Okay, and let's look again at the I want to show you guys this too. Let me see if I can get that in there a little bit better. There we go. That is from the there. You can see this trend line here from that wave 2 high keeps bumping up against it. Went up against it from the top there. It went down 97, then 66, then 56, then 42, then 35. It broke above it. Okay, and now it's back below it again. So resistance becomes support. Okay, so it's just above that line now, but it should break back below it. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, let's see here. We have, again, this is, now we're in the E-mini futures. This is an hourly chart. Here's from that B wave high. You can see we got a low, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lower lows, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lower highs. It basically shows the trend is down. You don't need any Elliott waves or Fibonacci's or anything to note that the trend is down there. Okay, let's get into this hourly chart. I'm going to make this a little bigger so we can see there's a little congestion here. There we go. There's the B wave high. Okay, we've got a 1 down, a 2 up. There was a direct hit on that B wave high, and then we've got wave 3 down, wave 4 with a throw over, and then 5 ended up being, this was a little complicated, but these are small in here, but you see a 1 down here, a 2 up there, a 3 down here, a 4 there, and a 5. See all that overlap? That was an ending diagonal triangle for wave 5 with the parentheses around it, and the larger wave 1 with a circle around it. Okay, see if we can get that up there. There we go. And then we had an ABC correction for wave 2, and then we started down. Okay, so you can see this bigger picture from the July 27th high down into this wave 1 with a circle low. There's wave 2 with a circle up. There's the wave 3 targets. 43.8875 is where wave 3 equals wave 1. There's the other Fibonacci targets. There's a gap back here at 42.98 back from June. Very rare in a futures market to have an open gap, because the futures are open 23 hours a day. They close for an hour. Of course, they close on Friday at 5 Eastern and open at 6 p.m. on Sunday. So that is very unusual. That should end up being closed. Okay, so let's look at let's get back here. Let's see a little 10-minute here. Here's that wave 2 high going back here. See that wave 2 right there? That was on I believe it was Thursday. Okay, and we'll go from there, and you can see we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 was almost equal to 1, so that may be complete. We'll see how that works out over there. Okay, but that's what we're looking at on a shorter term. Okay, let's get to our last report, which was yesterday, Friday. We had a pre-market open, and there is the current situation. It was before the market on Friday. That's the same basic picture as that last one with our wave 3 targets there. The market didn't do a whole lot on Friday, up or down, didn't make a new high, didn't make a new low. Let me just make sure of that here with our hourly. There we are there. That's the same picture there, and that's what we're looking at. So we'll see if this wave 2 high holds. The fact that we made a new lower low right here at 44.5825 on Friday, I stand corrected. That was the lower low. That meant that this 2 high is probably in place already. Okay, so we had an A up, B down, C up for wave 2. So here we go. This wave 3 should be in play. All right, that's it for today, and until next time, take care, everyone.